Hey guys, I just bring to you another awesome platform where you can make money daily without doing anything. So in this platform, you're going to be earning free money every day without doing anything in this platform. So stay with me now. Let me show you how you need to do this now. Start making money for yourself. So the first thing is to do is just to go straight to the link in the description of this video. Click on it. It will take you this place. So all you need to do is just to register with your email and put your password. So your referral code is the code in the link which is in the description of this video. So I've already created my account now and I'll be making money from this platform. What I'm going to do now is just to log in. So I'm going to log in with my email and my password. So like I told you, I've registered in this platform. If I'm going to sign in, so my password for you that is just registering, just put your password and create a password. Put your email and create a password and you log in. So when you log in now, you're going to see this welcome, this announcement. So you see this welcome to this USDT Small World. I hope everyone recommend our platform widely. So this platform, you're going to be earning free money every day without doing anything. So just click on I know and click on cancel. So if you look at this platform, you see I've been earning money in this platform. So once you get registered, you see the features in this platform. If you scroll down, you're going to be seeing different people earning in this platform. So if you want to start making money in this platform, there are different ways you can earn money in this platform. So the first way you can earn money in this platform is just to come to VIP here. So when you come to VIP, you're going to see different levels in this place. There are different levels where you can earn in this platform. So how it works is that in this first one now, you see this is level 0 and you don't need to deposit anything in this level 0, and your interest rate every day is just 0.3 USDT. So if you want to start making huge money here, you see you have VIP 1. So in VIP 1 now, this is what I unlocked. Unlock VIP 1 with just 12 USDT. So I'll be earning $4 every day and I will earn $40 in total. So remember, I used $12 to unlock this VIP 1. I'm going to earn $40 in total. So I'll withdraw $4 for today's one, and tomorrow I'm also going to withdraw $4 and I'll withdraw $40 all together. So if you want to make money in this place, you can unlock VIP 2, which you need 35 USDT to unlock VIP 2. So you'll be withdrawing $10, which is daily profit every day from this platform, and daily tax is just 1. So you will withdraw the total money you're going to withdraw from this place if you unlock VIP 2 is 100 USD. So this is a huge money. So you are using $35 now to make $100. So the higher you go to the VIP, the higher the amount of money you're going to be making. So if you look at VIP 3 here, you see daily profit is 25 USD and total profit is 500 USD, and you need 85 USD to unlock this. So if you want to be withdrawing 25 USD from this place, you can unlock this one with 85 USD and be withdrawing $25 every day, and till when you withdraw $500. So in this place you have VIP 4. So VIP 4, you need $275 to unlock VIP 4, and you'll be withdrawing $84 daily from this platform, and total profit you're going to make from it 2,520 USDT. So this is awesome. So this is huge. You can earn a lot of money in this platform, and the higher you go to the VIP, the higher the amount of money you'll be making. So I've just told you about VIP 4. This is VIP 5, which you need 765 USD to unlock, and you'll be making 9,600 USDT. Your daily profit is 240 USDT. So if you come to down here, you see VIP 6. You need $2,245 to unlock VIP 6, and you'll be drawing 749 USDT every day. And total profit you're going to make from this VIP 6 is 37,450 USDT. This is huge. This is great, and this is how it leads to VIP 10. So in VIP 10, you need 49,157 USDT to unlock VIP 10, and you're making 22,377 USDT every day. The total profit you're going to make is $1,342,720. So this is awesome. So there are other ways you can earn from this platform. If you want to earn from other ways in this platform, what you need to do is just to come to team. So invite your friends in this place to earn more money. So if you want to earn, you click on this place to copy your referral link and share it to your friends. When your friends get registered and deposit, you're going to earn 17% from the first person's referral. Second person referral, you're going to earn 6% deposit, and third person referral, you're going to earn 3% deposit. So this is awesome. I just registered in this platform and I'll be making money from this platform. So this is another way you can make money from this platform. I'm going to show you how you can do the tax and how you can withdraw. So now if you come to this place, you see get VIP for free. So if you want to get the VIP for free, come to this place and see this is 3 days. You're going to get the VIP for free. So what you need to do is to, if you refer 3 persons in this platform that deposit for the VIP 1, you're going to earn the VIP for free. So you're going to earn VIP for free if you refer 3 friends to this platform that they deposit. You don't need to deposit, and you earn the VIP for free. That is VIP 1. So if you want to start now, you can just copy this link now, submit, and start referring your friends. Once you refer 3 persons, you're going to earn the VIP for free. So you don't need to deposit in this one. You earn the VIP 1 just for free. So if you want to earn VIP 4 for free, you just see the criteria, just click on it. So if you want to earn the VIP 4 for free, you see, if your first downline has invested in VIP6, so you need to invite someone that will unlock VIP6, and you are going to get the VIP 4 for free. So this is awesome, and you can earn a lot of money in this platform. So you can just get registered now by clicking the link in the description of this video and start making money for yourself. So if you want to unlock any of the levels, you can just come here. First of all, recharge your wallet. So if you click on this recharge your wallet now, you're going to deposit straight to your wallet. So you're going to come here and copy this wallet address. So you read this: please do not recharge other non-charged 20 USD assets. The fund will arrive in your account in about 1 to 3 minutes after recharging. So go to your wallet and send any amounts you want to recharge, any of the levels you want to unlock. Like me, I unlock level 1 and I send the 12 USD to this wallet address. So you copy it now, go to any exchange and send any amount of money, or if it is the first level, you send 12 USD to this wallet address. Remember, this is 20 wallet address. So when you send it, come back here and click on recharge complete, and the money will be deposited straight to your wallet. This is me. So I've used it, the 12 USD I unlock, I've used it to unlock VIP 1, right? So once you deposit in your wallet, just come here and click on unlock. So if you want to unlock a split, just click on this place. This is 35 USDT. If you want to unlock it, so just click on this place. It's going to show you the recharge balance is automatically unlocked. You need to recharge $35. So you click on confirm. It will take you to this place where you copy the wallet address and recharge your wallet. So if you want to withdraw your money, let me show you how you can do the tax now and withdraw your money. I'm going to show you how I withdraw my own now straight to my bank account. So once you deposit in this place, what you need to do is just to come to task and perform your task. So after unlocking any of the levels, just click on this to complete task, so it will load. Remember, what you come is under task after depositing and unlocking any of the levels. So you come here and perform the task, so it will start loading. So it is loading now. You go to me, you see you have earned $4. Once you perform the task, you are going to earn $4 immediately. If you are in level 1, just like me, I earn $4 immediately. So I'm going to withdraw this $4 now. So if you want to see the money, just come to me. This is the $4 I've earned. So you see my account, you see withdraw, you see recharge. So I'm going to click on withdraw now to withdraw this money. So to do that, I'll come to my exchange and copy my USDT wallet address. So I'm going to copy USDT wallet address. So select USDT. So down here, I'm going to look for Tron TRC20 because that's what I'm going to use to withdraw. This is Tron TRC20. I'll select it and then copy my wallet address. So once I copy the wallet address now, come back to this platform now. So when I come back to this platform, I'm going to paste the wallet address which I copied in this place. You see Tron address starting with T. So I'm going to paste it here in this second column. So this is the address I copied. Then I'm going to enter the amount which I want to withdraw, which is $4. So I put the $4 and then put my password and click on confirm. So I'll click on confirm and then wait for it to load. Alright, you see withdrawal successful. So I'm going to check my wallet address now to know if this money has been deposited in my wallet. So this is my gate.io, and I'll check assets, and then this is what I have. I have 1.47 USDT in my wallet. I'm going to refresh. You see the money has entered. You see USDT 4.3 USDT has entered, and you can see it up here. If I swipe down, you're going to see the message I received from this platform that 4 USDT have been deposited. Let me swipe down. You see it, deposit arrival 4 USDT. So that is how you're going to withdraw your money to your exchange. But guys, don't forget to do your own research. Everything about make money online are all risky. You need to do your own research and do with your money whatever you wish. I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I bring to you latest update on how to make money online every day. Make sure you turn on the notification button so as you don't miss out on those updates which I will bring it to you on how to make money online. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video.